Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Notifications. Following that, select App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you, in my case, All Apps. Now just click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Calendar. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now disabled, but you can always enable them by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all calendar notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!